Hey guys, Jennifer Lara here, and today I want to talk to you about frankincense essential oil, and that's one of the oils from your premium starter kit. If you haven't opened your bottle of frankincense yet, I want you to pause this video, run to your premium starter kit box, and bring out your frankincense, and let's open it together. So the way I first started using frankincense was very simple. I opened the bottle, I put one drop in my hand, I activated it, I smelled it. Just like that. That simple. There's nothing else to do. Just get it in. You don't even have to put it in your diffuser. I encourage you to put it in your diffuser, but if you don't have, you're not by your diffuser right now, if you're diffusing something else and you want to experience the frankincense, just put it in your hands. That's all you have to do. And just smell in that goodness. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I did that right now because too I'm making this video and I get really nervous when I have to talk to people, strangers, or make videos for you guys. So frankincense helps me. It helps ground me. It helps me focus. It helps me say and convey the things that I want to say without jumbling things up, if that makes sense. It keeps my brain in order. I call it my squirrel oil because it always helps me just not have those squirrel moments. It helps me be in the moment. So this is just a really great oil for that. It's good for meditation. It's good for spiritual uplifting. So I use it also before I go to church every week. I use it in the mornings when I just want to have a little me time and I'm having a conversation with myself and with God, and I'm getting the day started. That's me. That's what I do. So another way that I use frankincense is I use it in my everyday beauty routine. Frankincense is great for skin support. It's great for healthy skin elasticity. What does that mean? Well, that means that when I apply my moisturizer every day and every night, I'm going to use frankincense under it. So during the day, I use the Art Light Moisturizer. A little frankincense goes in there, and then at night I use the sandalwood moisturizer, and it's a heavier moisturizer, and I use that heavy one at night because my skin just needs a little bit extra hydration at night while I'm sleeping. That way it's ready for the next day. So what I do is, instead of applying it every time I'm going to put it on my face, I do about 4 drops in the bottle of moisturizer, and then I apply that every night. So that works out really, really well. I also apply frankincense to my neck area. And this is what I call preventative maintenance for me. I'm getting older, and I know the older we get, our elasticity isn't the best, and then we start getting the wrinkles and the sagging of the skin. So what I'm doing now is I'm preventing it, hopefully preventing it from happening. And if I can do that, being very natural and just using a couple of drops every day, then that's what I'm going to do. I love, love, love frankincense. So I encourage you to use it, have fun with it, diffuse it. If you have little ones at home, school's coming up, diffuse it for them or have them smell it when it's time to do their homework. If you're a homeschool mama like I am, put it on your kids, diffuse it when they're doing their schoolwork throughout the day. I hope you're having a great time with your premium starter kit. I hope you've enjoyed the videos that we have been doing for you guys. This is a great, great, great time to be in Young Living. You're going to love, love, love your oils. And so I welcome you. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask myself or whoever referred you to this video. So blessings and have a great day.